Cairo, a name that conjures images of pyramids and pharaohs. But beneath the iconic skyline, a different Cairo exists, a city of hidden alleys, bustling markets, and stories whispered on the wind. This is the Cairo I crave, the one that reveals its secrets slowly, like a lover sharing a whispered truth. Forget your guidebooks, toss out your itinerary. This journey is about getting lost, about stumbling upon the unexpected. It's about tasting the real Cairo, one hidden alleyway at a time. Stepping onto a Cairo street is an experience like no other. The moment you set foot on the pavement, you're enveloped by a whirlwind of sensations that are both overwhelming and captivating. The air, thick with the rich aroma of spices and the unmistakable scent of car exhaust, hits you first. It's a heady mix that tells you you're somewhere unique, somewhere alive with history and modernity colliding. Then comes the noise. The melodic call to prayer, reverberating from minarets, a sound that has echoed through these streets for centuries. The rumble of donkey carts adds a rustic charm, while the shouts of vendors hawking their wares create a symphony of commerce and culture. It's chaotic, exhilarating, and utterly intoxicating. Look closer and you'll see a tapestry of life woven with threads of tradition and modernity. Every corner, every alleyway tells a story. Old men sit in cafés, smoking shisha, their faces etched with the lines of time and tales untold. They are the silent witnesses to the city's ever-changing landscape, their eyes reflecting the wisdom of ages. Children weave through the crowds with an effortless grace, their laughter echoing off ancient walls. They bring a sense of joy and continuity, a reminder that life here is vibrant and unending. Women draped in colorful hijabs haggle over prices with seasoned smiles, their voices rising and falling in a rhythmic dance of negotiation. They are the heartbeat of the marketplace, their presence a testament to resilience and tradition. This is Cairo in all its raw, unfiltered glory, a city where the past and present coexist in a beautiful, chaotic harmony. It's a place that demands to be experienced, not just seen. Every moment here is a snapshot of life in its most authentic form, a testament to the enduring spirit of its people. Deep in the heart of Islamic Cairo lies a street where time seems to stand still. The air here is heavy with the scent of cardamom, cumin, and turmeric. Jute sacks overflow with colorful powders, their aromas mingling into an intoxicating perfume. This is where generations of spice merchants have plied their trade. They'll tell you stories, these merchants, as they measure out your order with calloused hands. Stories of ancient trade routes, of family recipes passed down through centuries, of a Cairo that few outsiders ever see. The clang of hammers on copper echoes through a narrow alleyway. This is Khan el-Khalili, the heart of Cairo's metalworking district. Here, artisans continue a tradition centuries old, their workshops crammed with tools and trinkets. Watch as they transform sheets of metal into intricate lamps, delicate jewelry, and gleaming cookware. The air is thick with the smell of metal and sweat, a testament to the hard work and dedication of these skilled craftsmen. This is where Cairo's history comes alive, forged in fire and shaped by hand. Hidden gem number 3, a culinary adventure in every bite. Forget your fancy restaurants. The true essence of Cairo's culinary scene isn't found in high-end dining establishments or five-star hotels. Instead, it thrives in the heart of the city's bustling streets, where the air is thick with the aroma of sizzling meats and freshly baked bread. The best food in Cairo is found on the streets. Here, vendors have perfected their recipes over generations, offering dishes that are both rich in flavor and history. Street food in Cairo is not just a meal, it's an experience, a journey through the city's vibrant culture and traditions. Duck down a narrow alleyway and you'll find yourself in a culinary wonderland. These hidden gems are often tucked away from the main roads, waiting to be discovered by those willing to explore. The narrow alleys are lined with food stalls, each offering a unique taste of Cairo's diverse culinary heritage. The aroma of grilled meat mingles with the sweet scent of fresh bread, making your stomach growl in anticipation. The sizzle of meat on the grill, the sight of bread being baked fresh on the spot, and the vibrant colors of various ingredients create a sensory overload that is hard to resist. Pull up a plastic stool at a makeshift stall. These humble seating arrangements might not look like much, but they offer the best seats in the house. Here you can watch the vendors work their magic, transforming simple ingredients into mouth-watering dishes right before your eyes. Order a plate of kashari, a hearty mix of rice, lentils, and pasta, topped with spicy tomato sauce and crispy fried onions. This dish is a staple in Egyptian cuisine, known for its comforting and filling nature. Each bite offers a delightful combination of textures and flavors, from the softness of the rice and pasta to the crunch of the fried onions. Or try a fowl sandwich, a staple of Egyptian street food made with fava beans, herbs, and spices. This humble sandwich is packed with protein and flavor, making it a favorite among locals and tourists alike. The fava beans are slow-cooked to perfection, infused with a blend of herbs and spices that give it a unique and irresistible taste. Each bite is an explosion of flavor, a testament to the simple genius of Egyptian cuisine. The joy of eating street food in Cairo is not just about the food itself, but also about the experience. It's about sharing a meal with friends and strangers, enjoying the lively atmosphere and immersing yourself in the local culture. So next time you find yourself in Cairo, skip the fancy restaurants and head to the streets for a true culinary adventure. Local legends whispers from Cairo's past. Every corner in Cairo seems to hold a story. The city, with its labyrinthine streets and ancient edifices, is a living museum of tales that span millennia. Ask the locals, and they'll tell you tales of mischievous spirits, hidden treasures, and ancient curses. These stories are passed down through generations, whispered in the bustling markets and quiet courtyards. These are the stories that bring Cairo's past to life, weaving a tapestry of myth and history. They are the lifeblood of the city, connecting the present to a rich and mysterious past. There's the legend of the City of the Dead, a sprawling cemetery where families live amongst the tombs. This place is not just a resting ground for the departed, but a vibrant community where life and death coexist in a unique harmony. Or the story of the Ben Ezra Synagogue, said to be built on the site where the baby Moses was found. This synagogue is a testament to Cairo's diverse religious history, standing as a beacon of faith and resilience through the ages. Whether these stories are true or not is beside the point. They serve as a cultural compass, guiding the people of Cairo through the complexities of their identity and heritage. They're a window into the soul of Cairo, a reminder that this city is more than just bricks and mortar. It's a living, breathing entity, shaped by the dreams, fears, and hopes of its inhabitants. As the sun sets over the Nile, casting a golden hue over the city, one can't help but feel the weight of history in the air. The whispers of Cairo's past are ever present, echoing through the ages. From the ancient hieroglyphics that tell the stories of pharaohs and gods, to the towering pyramids that stand as monuments to human ingenuity, Cairo is a city that has always been at the crossroads of history. The music, the laughter, the daily hustle and bustle, all these elements blend together to create a symphony of life that is uniquely Cairo. It's a city where the past and present are in constant dialogue, each influencing the other. As night falls, the city transforms yet again. The markets come alive with the glow of lanterns, and the air is filled with the scent of spices and the sound of merchants calling out their wares. It's in these moments that the whispers of Cairo's past seem the loudest, reminding us that this city is a timeless wonder. Cairo, with its endless stories and legends, is a city that never sleeps. Its past is always present, a constant companion to those who walk its streets. And as long as there are people to listen, the whispers from Cairo's past will continue to be heard, weaving their magic into the fabric of everyday life. The heart of Cairo beyond the guidebooks. It's easy to get caught up in the tourist traps, to tick off the pyramids and the Sphinx from your list. But to truly experience Cairo, you need to venture beyond the guidebooks. You need to get lost in the labyrinthine alleyways, to haggle with vendors, to share a meal with locals. This is where you'll find the real Cairo, the Cairo that pulsates with life, that thrums with energy, that will stay with you long after you've left. A city that stays with you. Cairo is a city that gets under your skin. It's chaotic, overwhelming, and utterly unforgettable. It's a city of contrasts, where ancient history collides with modern life, where beauty is found in the most unexpected places. You'll leave Cairo changed, I guarantee it. You'll carry a piece of it with you, in the scent of spices, in the sound of the call to prayer, in the memory of 1,000 hidden stories. Embrace the unknown, get lost in Cairo. So ditch the map, put away your phone, and get lost in the heart of Cairo. Talk to the locals, try the street food, listen to the stories whispered on the wind. You won't regret it. This is where the real adventure begins. Until next time, Cairo, as I bid farewell to this captivating city, I know I'll be back someday. There are too many hidden alleys left to explore, too many stories left to uncover. Cairo, you've stolen a piece of my heart, and I wouldn't have it any other way.